Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Y'all, I'm so excited because you wanna know why? Your girl's going back home, and if you don't know where home is, it's probably because you're new, or maybe because I don't say it that often in my videos. But home is in Chicago, and as you can tell by the title of this video, we're gonna be packing my luggage because your girl waits till the last minute. Okay, so I'm excited to go back home. We leave Sunday. We're gonna stay the night over in Memphis, and then we'll get back on the road. And the reason why we're staying the night is because I have a 3-month-old. I got my eyebrows done yesterday. I'm not getting lashes done just simply because I can't wear it at work. Oh, Bella, here. Look at Bella. And there's Blue. She just freaking licked my face. Like, I like you and all, but don't lick my face. I don't like that. I'm gonna try on the outfits, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I'm pairing it together, etc, etc. So I don't wear 13, but the butt looks good. Okay, period. But I love the color of the shirt, so I'm gonna have to find a different pair of pants to go. I got them wild maybe. This is my suitcase, and it's literally tiny. It won't fit all my stuff, so I do have to bring another bag. So let me show y'all what's in the goodie bag. Her hair products, most of them were really good for my hair, and then one of them left like white residue, which sucked. And then my hairstylist told me I should be using pumpkin puree oil. And then this is my favorite. It works wonders in my hair. Okay, y'all, so I literally just finished my nails, and this is what they're looking like. They don't look that great, okay? This one even is crooked. Is it? You know, honestly, they don't look that great. Y'all, look what Bella did. I had to get her shots yesterday, and then I also got her microchip. So I gotta take care of all of this. Okay. What you just throw up? Sitting in my hair for a few minutes. I'm almost done prepping. Okay, it's time for you to go to sleep. As you can see, my hair is done. I'm finished packing, and ooh, eyebrows looking a little crooked. I don't know why, but I'm finished packing. I'm ready to go night night. Bella night night. Diego needs to go night night. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Shorty, do that. Shorty, let me know, have you ever been to the motherland of Chicago? Because if not, you guys to visit. And it's actually pretty funny because I'm from Chicago, but like I really did not get to experience it growing up.